Hello guys, what's up traders? It's one Joe once more again. So today is another day in a life. Yeah. So first of all, I want to inform you guys that everything we were looking for the previous week, the market has truly delivered to the levels that I was looking for. To some of you that viewed my previous video. So I told you, like, as the video was ending, I told you that this market is going to continue pushing lower. That's on Euro USD and then GBP USD. But then to me, Euro had a better opportunity of pushing lower. That's why I took trades in Euro and the pound. So as I had told you, the market was more likely to retrace back into this 4-hour level for a continuation lower. So this is a 4-hour chart, as you can see. So I dropped on a 1 hour. I took my first trade for the week on Monday, but it looks like I just went in too early. That's what I can say. As you can see, I took in entries or shorts within this range, and I was using something like a 5-minute model, like after I retracement back up into this 4-hour key level. So later on I was taken out. That was on a Monday, so I had to stay patient, then waited till Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday came. As you can see, the market went higher, then consolidated within this 4-hour level, and then later on shifted structure, ran below this short-term low. So after I trend below this short-term low on a retracement, you can see that I took my shots in here. And then if you can see clearly enough, you can see that I was aiming for a drop below the previous day's low. This was previous day's low. Let me make it a little bit bigger to make sure that you guys can see it. And also let me change the color. So here's the trade. I took my trades, my retracement up into this range. You can see it created a high, and then later on created some measure like a high, then took out this short-term high. Later on it dropped, created a shift in market structure, and then that's where I went in, and boom, it dropped to the downside. So if I had more time, I would have taken another shot within this. You can see these levels that I drew out. Because I was somehow busy, I was very busy, I couldn't get time like to enter in here. But the market, what I truly like is that it delivered to the ideal level that I was looking up to. So this previous day's low was taken out. So I took another trade on Wednesday. As you can see, the market kind of like retraced back into the range that he had created on Tuesday. So as you can see, the market had retraced, and then this is kind of like a 4-hour level, as these levels that have drawn out, this and then this level along this green rectangle, but these black levels. So the market wasn't more likely to go up into this. It was more likely to use this up close candle for a continuation lower. So once the market ran up in here, that's where I went in short, and then I was still targeting previous low. Let's see if you can see close enough. I'm targeting previous day's lows. So this, we targeted this, and then I exited. This, I took a trade in here, I exited. So as you can see, most of the times the trades that I've been taking like for this week, I go in like near the high of the day and then close near the low of the day. You can see the trade I took on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday you can truly see it again. I took the trade near the high of the day, I closed it near the low of the day. What do you think it is? So let me show you where we are right now on the account, because the good news is we're finally out of drawdown. We're out of drawdown. So as you can see, these are the trades that I took. Yeah, this is the first trade that I took for the week. The market went and took me out. This is where you're seeing a negative 7.35 cents. And then I took the second trade on Tuesday. The market hit TP, you get. Then I took another trade on SD. Still the market went into my favor, but these ones I took them out like manually. I closed them manually. So this is it. And then here's the account balance. You can see the account is seated now at 5,017.58. It's $5,000, $5,017 and then 58 cents. So that's now the account balance. So I know some of you would be like, why is it that you're using a lower risk? Now here's the reason to it. This account, like it's a new account, it's a challenge account. So to me, using this lower risk, I am just trying to get in line with what I'm doing right now. I don't want to go in and be somehow so aggressive, you know. So I just want to get used to the account, then later on at least adjust this the what I adjust the risk per trade a little bit as I go on when I'm trading the account. So right now, the reason to why I used these smaller lots, I was in drawdown. So in my rules, I have a rule which says that when I'm in drawdown, I have to lower down the risk on whatsoever trade that I take. So that's the thing that I did. I had to lower down the risk just to make sure that in case the market like goes against me, I don't fall into deeper risks. So as you can see, the account right now, where it is, the next time I'm to trade, I think I'm going to take in 0.3 at least. Yeah, 0.3, aiming at least for a target of 0.6. That's in percentage. Risking 0.3% of the trade of the account, aiming for a target of 0.6. Yeah. So as the account grows, that means the lot size will be increasing as it grows. So that's all that I had for today. All I can say that this week was a very great week, because like we managed to get out of drawdown and then we're up some little percentage on the account. So I just believe this account is going to be passed within at least, I think, God willingly, at least it will take a max of 1 to 2 months at least finishing this challenge one. That would be the maximum. 1 month, the highest would be 2 months maximum. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching. Let's just keep it up for the next one. And so before we take out what I think that is more likely to happen this coming week, I think this coming week is more like it's going to be also bearish. And what I'm looking up at right now, we likely within this range, this market is likely to use this range for a continuation lower to target these lows, this low and then this, and then maybe a drop to this low. So it would be something like this. It's within the range that I would be looking up to for a continuation, maybe lower. It will be something like this. This is more likely what I'll be looking for this coming week. That's understand. So this would be like my first draw on liquidity, this level, and then this would be my final draw on liquidity for this coming week. You understand? So that's all that I have for this week. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Just keep it up.